Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about goat. Goats are domesticated animals which are tamed by human beings for various needs. There are more than 300 breeds of goats that are known to human beings. Goat has thick hair all over the body. This hair protects them from changes in the weather like sun in summer and cold in winter. A goat has a lifespan of 15 to 18 years depending on the climatic conditions and how well it is domesticated. Goat farming is a billion-dollar industry around the world. Goat's milk is considered to be a very nutritious and has the power to cure certain diseases. Goat milk is fed to newborn babies to develop immunity against certain viruses and bacteria. Goats are not only used for their milk and meat, but are also used to carry goods from one region to another. Mountain goats are used as instruments of logistics to transport goods in difficult terrains. The pupil of goat's eye is rectangular in shape. This gives them vision for 320 to 340 degrees. They can almost see the whole way around without any blind spot. While goats can be selective eaters, they will also eat many plants that other animals will not. They have sensitive lips that they use to pull the best parts of the plants off to eat. While both male and female goats can have horns, not all goats are born with them. A goat that is naturally born without horns is referred to as polled. Goat has hooves on its legs and a long beard on its chin. They are one of the cleanest animals and are much more selective feeders than cows, sheep, pig, and even dogs. Goats are very intelligent and curious animals. Their inquisitive nature is exemplified in their constant desire to explore and investigate anything unfamiliar which they come across. Goats use the sneeze sound as an alarm. They use a sneeze to each other of danger, whether real or imagined. Goats dislike water and would rather leap over streams and puddles than step in them. Among Muslims, the goat is sacrificed during Eid al-Adha in the memory of Prophet Ibrahim. Goat's dung is used in manure as it helps in the healthy growth of crops as well as plants and animals. Thank you for watching Animal Kingdom. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment and share.